If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. Who doesn't know this logo? Or I can say there is hardly any person who is not aware of McDonald's. And kids especially love it. A very special vegetarian burger is served in McDonald's in India. And that's Veggie Burger. And after many attempts, I have been able to replicate Veggie recipe, which I'm going to share with you today. Let me show you how to make Veggie Burger at home.
Please note the ingredients needed to make Veggie Burger. List of all the ingredients and other information on the recipe can be found in description below. First of all, we need hot water or garm pani. Add in chopped carrots or gajar and chopped beans in the hot water. Keep them for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, heat oil or tel in a pan. When it's heated, add in finely chopped onion or pyaz and fry it on medium heat till it turns translucent or little pinkish in color. After this, add in the drained veggies, the carrot and beans. Also add in green peas or hari matar. These were frozen peas, so I did not add them in water prior to use. Now cook all the veggies for about 2 minutes on medium heat till they cook a little bit. After 2 minutes, add in mashed potatoes and be sure to cool the potatoes nicely prior to use in this recipe. Now mix and mash all the vegetables nicely for about 1 minute, after which turn off the heat and add in the spices, that is salt or namak, dry parsley, cumin or zira powder, dry mango or amchur powder for the tangy taste in the burger, turmeric or haldi for a nice color, red chilli or lal mirch powder. Do not add more red chilli here. Also add in garlic or lesan powder. Now mix and mash the veggies with the spices and keep it aside to cool down. And meanwhile, let's do other preparation. Make the batter. Take all-purpose flour or maida in a bowl. Add in cornstarch or corn flour. Also add in cornmeal or makki ka atta, which gives a nice texture to the patty. Add in salt or namak. Now using cold water or thanda pani from the fridge, you can make a thick batter like this. When the batter is prepared, add in 1 tablespoon of oil to it and use oil that has no flavor of its own, that is a neutral oil. And now beat it well for about 1 more minute to make it should be of this consistency, thick of coating consistency. Now here the veggies have cooled down. Add in 1 cup of breadcrumbs to it. I prefer using white breadcrumbs here and mix, and it's cool. Now take a cling wrap or a plastic wrap. Spread it over the counter and put the veggie potato mixture over the cling wrap and make a log like this. Now very carefully close the cling wrap and make a log like this and tie both the ends. The log should be firm, tight and nice. Smoothen it over the counter by rolling. Now this log is ready and put it in the fridge for about half an hour. After half an hour, take it out. It's nice and cool. Roll it once more and cut it into 8 equal portions. Pieces, take 1 portion and shape it a little bit to match the size and shape of your bun. Now dip this patty in batter like this. You can see batter on the patty. Remove the excess and now put this patty in breadcrumbs. Roll it nicely in the breadcrumbs so that it has a thick coating over it. And now remove the excess with your hands and the patty is ready to be fried. Fry it on medium heat only, flipping in between. Do not increase the heat at any point of time here. So, gently when the patty is done, remove and keep on absorbent paper towel. Similarly, make all the patties. Now assembling the burger. Take the bun, mayonnaise and ketchup if you like. So here are some veggies, that is lettuce that I have torn with my hands only, and slices of tomato. Now take the bun, put mayonnaise on the top portion of the bun. This is the bottom portion where I put the patty, lettuce, tomato and close it. So your veggie burger is ready to be served. Thanks for